Hello and welcome to this Bismuth video tutorial. In this screen recording I'll be running the Tornado Bismuth wallet from source. The goal is to manually choose a certain wallet server at application startup without using the API service at first. Of course, this requires us to install some needed Python packages, which I am going to do now. First, I am here at the GitHub Bismuth Foundation site. And if you scroll down, you can select the Tornado wallet. On the right, you see the latest version. You just click on it, and then you are able to download here the source code. I've already downloaded the source code, and if I now, this is here the zip file, the latest Tornado wallet version. I'm just going to double click on it, and then you will be seeing the folder. Of course, for that, I will need to use the terminal. It's not all that difficult. Just going to select this terminal. I'm here on a Mac OS machine. And I will be installing the Python packages on a virtual environment. It's really easy and quick. The reason for this is so when you run multiple applications from source and you don't want to mix up the Python packages, you just use a virtual environment for it. So this is the command to install the virtual environment for it, and my Python version is 3.9.7, and the next step is going to be to install the requirements txt file, which contains all the packages, Python packages. This will take a little while. And after that, we can use a certain command to start up the Tornado wallet using a dedicated wallet server we can choose from. Of course, you can choose, you can run the node from your local machine, and then you could just use localhost or 127.0.0.1. But I'm not running a local node here on this machine. That's why I am going to choose a wallet server from from a list I have here on the Bismuth Explorer, bismuth.im. There is on the info link, a drop-down link, active wallet servers, and I'm just going to choose here a random one. For example, this one here, 188, and so the port is 8150, and if you now we have to switch here the folder to wallet, cd wallet, and let's check what files we have. Okay, we have to open the wallet.py file, python wallet.py, and next we select a server, and we have just copied this 188.165 server. And the only thing which is missing is and this command, by the way, I'll be showing you, this command is also, if you go back here, we are here on the Tornado wallet at the GitHub site, and if you scroll down, this command is right here, server equals to IP and then port. The port is, what was the port? 8150, right? Okay. And we are now connecting without using the Bismuth API service. And this should open up the browser with the wallet. And the wallet is working. And if you, okay, you cannot, yes, you can. You can see it right on the bottom of the site, in the footer. This is the connected IP address, which we manually have chosen, and also the IP port. And of course, once you're connected, you can now use. You see, we are connected now using this IP. And if I refresh now, then we are connected also from the API service, and then we could choose another IP address. Also note that you could also use your local node. If you are running one on your machine, then you could choose your local IP address. All right, that's it. And I could refresh now, and now you see all the available IP addresses which we could connect to. Okay, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.